Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to demo calling the container word xorder API for for processing orders. Let's first log in as Pacific West Brewing. Login. Let's go to agents to make sure that we have the BCRDB number. We have the username and password that works for the testing API there. So those are correct. We are ready to go. Just update. Let's go to orders. Pending orders. First, I'm gonna demo the simplest case that where there's just one order. So check this one and submit orders. We select container word as the shipper for this licensee. Click submit and let's go to the log to see. So we receive the order batch command, as we can see, and as we can see, we send some requests to the container word testing API. Let's go to the first. I'm gonna describe the general workflow a little bit. We catch the session in memory. So it's obviously I just restarted the server. So there's no session ID catched for this BCRDB for this agent. So in this case we need to log in first. So we call this logon. We send this logon request with you see the user ID, password, and BCRDB with the information to this URL. This is their testing logon servlet. So we in the response of the logon, we receive the session ID. Once we receive this one, we cache this in memory for this agent, for this BCRDB number. So that we can just we don't have to log in all the time. And then once we have this session ID, we can fill the session ID into this purchase orders request. So then we send this purchase orders this PDS purchase orders request. And then we get a response, and this is just X order is closed for this moment. It says status locked. I guess their API is just closed for this moment. Okay, so in our general workflow, we have a step to retry. So as you see, we see that the status is locked. It's not success. So we just considered this request has failed. Then we just log out. We just retry. The retry logic is we log out, and then we log on again, and have a session ID, and then we just do the purchase orders request again, and of course it's closed, so we get this locked response. Logon, okay, session. Okay, so I'm gonna demo the case where we have session ID cached. Let's just go to pending orders. Just do this for another one. Submit orders. Select container word as shipper, and let's go back to the log. Okay, let's see. So this time it shouldn't. Let's see the first one. First request. Yes, the first request is purchase orders request. Because the session ID is cached already, so we can just get the session ID and fill into here and just send that request. So now I'm going to go through the details of the request. Those are request headers. Put those values into headers, and this file name is generated on the fly. As you see, we identify as purchase orders request, and followed by PCR agent's PCR DB number, and then a timestamp, so that we can track that if there's any issue in the request. Okay, so this PDS purchase orders, this section, this XML section, it corresponds to actually to the whole order batch site. Say we just submitted orders for this one. This is a order batch site. It just order batch site. It contains just one order batch. And this PDS purchase order, this section from here to here, it corresponds to one order batch site. As we can see, this is order batch site ID. Here, order batch. Oh, sorry, it's not order batch site. It's order batch ID. Yeah, this is order batch. This section corresponds to one order batch. And order date, delivery date, payment method, we just use this one. Warehouse auto, customer number, this is a licensee's BCRDB number. Order type, delivery, and GST percent, PST, GST and PST stuff. And then here you can see that we have products. We have also a bunch of product sections in this products. So one product corresponds to one order. So this product here actually corresponds to this one, to this order here. Yeah, quantity 24. Yeah, quantity 24, and yeah, so product corresponds to one order. Okay, so next one I think we can demo some maybe a more complicated case where in one order batch site we have multiple order batches. We can do with this one. So let's say it's where's the okay, so let's submit this one. takes a while. So let's select container word for all the licenses. Submit. Speak one takes a while. Okay, processing 7 orders. Received order batch set command. Yeah, it really takes a while. It's generating PDF files. Okay, here it has finished, I think. Let's go to the first request. Which is this one. So purchase orders request. So as you can see that this PDS purchase orders, this section, the whole thing, it corresponds to the whole order batch site, which is just what this page indicates us. And each PDS purchase order corresponds to one order batch. So this one, 14, 18, 13, 14, 18, 13, 14, 18, 13 is here. It has one order. And this one, 14, 18, 12, is this one. It has two orders. So this is we can see that here in this in products section. You can see that there are two products just correspond to those two orders. The order date, as we have two orders, and in any case where for multiple orders, we use the earliest order date for this field here. And as you can see, the rest, just one PDS purchase order correspond to one order batch. Same. Okay, those are just because it has locked status, so we just retry, log out, log on, and retry that. Okay, I think I have demoed what I have so far for sending the requests to container word API. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.